In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your first low-content book on Amazon KDP. Hello home bosses, I'm Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online from self-publishing. So this video is going to be the first of a series of videos that will walk you through publishing your first notebook on Amazon KDP step by step. I already have a video series about this, but so many things have changed on Amazon since I created that initial series that I have decided to make a new updated version. So this is not for experienced KDPers, this is for new people that are coming into the business and for anybody that wants to learn how to upload your first notebook on Amazon KDP. So what are low-content books? Low-content books, or sometimes also called no-content books, are basically books like notebooks, journals, logbooks, diaries, planners, or even blank sketchbooks. Their interiors are often very repetitive with little or no text. They are books designed to be written in or drawn in by somebody else. So you don't have to be a writer or author to create these. You're probably thinking, well, why would you start a low-content book business? Compared to selling on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, etc., which I have all done in the past, launching a low-content book business is a lot more straightforward. It doesn't require a lot of investment initially. You can start with zero money, and the books are relatively easy to create. With traditional businesses selling products, you have to source the stock, buy it, store it, and then list it on a platform like Etsy, eBay, Shopify, or your own website, and all without any guarantee of a sale. And by that time, you would have invested a lot of money and time in the business. However, with Amazon KDP and low-content books, that's not the case. You digitally create your books and upload them to Amazon KDP, requiring no inventory, and the upload is free. So you don't need to handle order fulfillment like shipping or customer service, as Amazon takes care of all these aspects. It operates a print-on-demand model, so when a customer buys your book, Amazon prints and ships the book to the customer. You have no direct interaction with customers, making the process easy and convenient. And this is why I love this business model, unlike my previous business where my home was overflowing with stock. All I need now is creativity to create digital files. A word of advice though, you will hear lots of people tell you that it's easy and that you can make a lot of money with Amazon KDP. And this is true, but please also know that it will take time to make sales and it will take time for you to learn how to make quality books that people want to buy. It's like any other business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme and it will not work for everyone. However, if you love creativity and if you love books and understand that you need to create books that bring something new and useful to the table, it is worth giving this business a try. I make a full-time income from this now, and you can watch my income report videos on this channel. They show you what is achievable with a lot of hard work. So where do you start? I suggest you start with a lined notebook. This is one of the simplest books you can create, and it will teach you the process. Consider your first notebooks as your learning curve. Don't worry about selling them at this point. You're just concentrating on creating your books. They will probably not be perfect at the beginning, so you need to create a few to learn the process without the pressure of trying to get sales. The goal here is to get comfortable with creating attractive covers, doing effective research, and uploading your books to Amazon KDP without any hiccups. Notebooks are an excellent choice for beginners. Why? Because they all have the same lined interior, so you don't need to worry about designing the inside pages. And to make things easier for you, I've prepared a lined template with margins. You can find the download link in my next videos where I will teach you how to make your first notebook. And as you're feeling more confident, which might take anything from 5 to 10 notebooks or more, it just depends on how quickly you learn, you can begin to experiment with books that have more complicated interiors. But for starters, concentrate on simple notebooks. And I would honestly say, make as many as you need to make to learn. Don't worry about getting those sales and trying to make money quickly. This is something that you have to learn from the start. You have to make sure that you do everything the right way. There are lots of rules on Amazon that you have to follow. So I will tell you all about those things. So just take it really easy. Concentrate on creating your first notebook. Don't worry about making sales just yet. And take your time. Take as long as you need to create your first notebook. And then take as long as you need to create your next notebooks, because it is a learning curve and it takes time to learn this. So once you understand the process, you will get more confidence in the key areas, which are uploading, using keywords, conducting your research, and finding niches that suit your style. And these will be the basis for any future book creation. As with any skill, you'll gradually level up, taking on more complex projects as you progress. And in our next steps together, we'll open your Amazon KDP account, and I'll share some tips and tricks on brainstorming ideas for book covers. Make sure you've subscribed to my channel and turned on notifications so you won't miss out on these lessons. I can't wait to guide you through every step of this exciting journey, and hopefully you can create a passive income stream just as I did when I started back in November of 2019. And the reason I started my YouTube channel was that I wanted to make this possible for others too. So if I can do it, you can too. Remember to take this slowly and step by step. There is a lot to learn, but I will break it down for you in easy steps. So see you in my next video.